it is time for me to share with you guys my Temu haul. Now this is a different haul. This is something that I actually bought with my own money. The last videos that I did a sponsorship with them, and when they gave me like a link to order stuff and I couldn't order everything, and then what happens is then after that they said I couldn't order of like more than one of quantity because there was a couple things that I wanted multiple items of, and so I'm like, okay, that's fine. So what I ended up doing is I ended up purchasing some stuff, and I was super excited. I'm like, my main priority right now is getting my Funko Pops like all organized and everything, and one of the shelves that I did order was too big, but the one that I did was perfect. And I will be doing a separate video of my favorite things that I got from Temu, and so far of the stuff that I have received, I am so excited for some of that stuff because it is so inexpensive that I just am super excited to share with you guys. If you have been watching my lives, I've been explaining some of the items that I have, and then I signed up for another sponsorship through them, so you will be seeing more hauls from me over the next couple weeks that I am super excited for. So I ended up purchasing this package on the 10th, no, the 11th. One thing is that, like, I downloaded the app because I'm so excited for that stuff, but I ended up purchasing everything on, what day was it? March 11th. So March 11th is when I ordered this, and today is March 21st, so it got here in 10 days. Now they do offer something where if they don't, like, if it doesn't ship or you don't arrive it within a certain time, you get a $5 credit. Now I was supposed to receive it between like the 19th and the 25th. So today's the 21st. Sorry, I'm looking at my clock right next to me. But I already received a $5 credit for them, so if they don't like deliver it at a certain time, you get like credits from them, and then if you don't physically receive it within a certain time, it looks like you got it. So I ended up getting like a $5 credit. I don't know if any of the thing is, but I have a $5 credit to use for them for a future purchase, which is nice. I also noticed that when you purchase it, they give you like another coupon that you have to use within 24 hours. So I'm just like, man, I really wanted to use it, but with me working with them through my sponsorship, I didn't want to go like super crazy. But I am excited to share with you guys what I got from Temu that I bought myself. So it's a couple items, which I'm excited for. I saw that if you spend so much, you get a free gift. So I was looking at like, and you get to choose the free gift that you want. So I was excited to look at that. But I'm excited to share with you guys what I got from Temu. Now I do have a coupon code where if you guys are a new user, you can use the code, was it SUN7355, SUN7355. I will have a link for you guys below, but you guys can get 30% off if you are a new user with my coupon code that I have. I also googled like a coupon code, and you're able to find some stuff even with being not a new user. You guys can actually just like, I just found something on Retail Me Not that showed me a 30% off coupon for existing users, so I got 30% off of all this. So I'm just gonna see if there is a piece of paper in here, but I am not seeing it. So let me dig in and see what I got, and then I will share with you guys. So I ended up getting Charlotte this silicone mat. She is really into like painting and using permanent markers where it's like getting everywhere, and I thought this is a cute little silicone mat for her to use. So I can put paints in here, and I could put like a little water dish in here where she can like put her water brush in there and then also kind of scrape the paint off. But I thought this is super cute, and then you put your pens. But I thought Ben, after I told Ben I ordered it, he kind of wanted one, but I thought this is something cute for her to use when she's painting. We use a placemat right now, but I like the silicone because if I want to, I could probably put this in my dishwasher and it'll wash super easy. I don't remember the price for that. I could tell you guys. Let's see if it does show me my prices of what I got. So it looks like that was $8.88, but then I did use a 30% coupon, so I got I got that. This is one of the acrylic shelves that I got. This one is the 4-layer, which I do have on display, and I will show you guys that in a follow video. The only thing I don't like about these is they don't have any instructions, so what I had to do is go to the website, and I had to look how I built it. But I already have one of these on display. You can fit about 6 Funko Pops per row, and then that's 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and then also one in front, so that can fit a lot of Funko Pops, and I'm pretty excited. They are just a cute little clear shelf with clear legs. I was telling my son's teacher who collects Funko Pops too about my display, but I'm super excited, and you know, they're super easy, and it's perfect for the top of my bookshelf. So I ended up getting a 4-tiered one, and then I ended up getting 2 3-tiered ones also. And the 4-tiered was $16.68, and the 3 tiers were $12.68. And I can show you guys like a picture of them. Like, this is what they look like if it's gonna focus. But these are perfect for like my little figurines that I got. And then right here are 2 of the three layers. So pretty excited for that. They do come in different widths also, but I got the wider widths because it fits my bookcase that I have on top of that. So we got that. I've been really into, like, I'm starting to make little crafts here and there. Like, I just started making these like little books that books that you can read of like a certain year, and I wanted kind of like a little knife. So I got this cloud. This was just 98 cents for this, which I'm pretty excited for, but it's just basically a little blade. Does it lock? Okay, it does lock, but it's just a cute little blade, and it was just a cloud. I thought that was super cute, perfect for what I need for my crafting stuff, so I ended up getting that. Now, I ordered a ton of these. I ordered 6 of these. These were $2.28 each. Now, I got this in my first haul, and what you do is you open it, you clamp them to your closet. Now, I just got done totally like getting rid of a bunch of clothes, folding clothes, organizing stuff. So now in my closet, I have my pajamas that are like a certain kind. I have my pants that are a certain size, and I have my leggings and stuff that are a certain size. And what you do is, this got bent from sitting in the bag, but what you do is you just take your little shelf and you clamp it right onto your shelf, and now my clothes don't fall over. And I thought this is great for me to have. I have 2 right now. Now I bought 6, and I'm probably gonna buy more of these. I'm gonna work on Graham's closet, and I'll probably work on the kids' closet too. And then I was thinking maybe when I get a chance, I'm gonna start working on my laundry room, just for stuff not to get moved all over. But these are perfect. I mean, they're plastic, but you know what? I don't care. They are exactly how I want them to be. So I ended up getting those, and like I said, they were $2.28, but I did have a 30% off coupon for them. So yeah, love those. That's one of my, those 2 items, the shelves and the little dividers, are already a repeat buy, which I'm pretty excited for. So here is a square. So I ended up ordering some magnets. I ordered some sublimation magnets. I plan on definitely doing a video on how to do this once I figure out how to do them. But this is just a 6-pack of the magnets. I don't know what size they were. It doesn't say what size they are, but this was the 6-pack. I know they have them in different sizes. Like right now they're I got it for like $2.88. Oh, I'm supposed to wait for you? Oh, I'm sorry. But I thought I'm just gonna get some little magnets so I can see how they sublimate on. But if these end up working out perfectly, I will definitely buy more. It looks like, I don't know if it has a protector thing on it, but these are kind of cool. My daughter was sad because she wanted to be in the video, but I showed her that silicone mat, and she's like already walking up the stairs with it. She was super excited. Another repeat buy thing that I got was these build and pops. Now, these are the smaller ones, and these are 11 pieces, but basically what they are is like little suction cups. And what I ended up doing is I'm having a game where the kids could like throw them at the patio door to see what ones they stuck to, which are kind of fun. So this was again another repeat buy, just so the kids had a little bit more. I still kind of want to get even more of these because these are super fun to play with, especially like you could actually, like, you can take like Crayola markers because they are washable, kind of make your own like little target on a window or a door or something washable. Even the bathroom, I know they have like bath crayons, but I don't know how well those work, but you could figure out something and then have the kids like throw them and see if they can get points and stuff. That's kind of a cool little indoor little activity if you guys want something like that. Now, I actually use pin pens. You're like, what the heck is a pin pen? So this is a pin pen that I use when I pick my vinyl. So like right here, I have like, you know, it says, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says 100-day challenge. And what I do is I have to like pick the stuff where like the holes go. And I used to use like these one things that I got with like my Cricut machine, and I absolutely loved it. Well, then I got sent one of these and I absolutely love it. Now you got to be careful to make sure that it's not a pen, but all it is just a very, very fine needle. It's like basically a pin but and a pen. So I ended up getting one from these guys from Temu, and I've already used one like this. I actually have like 2 of them, but I love it. And this was like, I ended up getting more of these for my future haul. This was a weeding pen, and it was $2.38, but if you guys can see, like, that needle is like super sharp. Like, you could poke yourself and hurt yourself with this, but this is perfect for weeding vinyl. So you definitely want to check and see how well my video is on my favorite things that I got through Temu. And with my future videos, I will be sharing with you guys like different categories. So I will have a small business video, I will have a craft video, and all that stuff. So that was everything that I got. I thought I got more. Oh, no, I got one more thing, and then I got to share with you guys. So the next thing I got was transfer vinyl paper. What happens with vinyl, you actually, like, have to, like, take a special, like, paper, you put it over the thing, and then you put it on items, and it's transfer tape. I get stuff from the Dollar Tree, and sometimes it's a hit or miss. Sometimes the Dollar Tree, it's shelf paper, what I use from the Dollar Tree, but sometimes it's, like, super sticky, so then when I use it with the vinyl, it like sticks to the product and then it leaves like a bad residue, and I hate that. So like some of the stuff I do buy is garbage and some of the stuff I do buy is good, but I saw that this one had a lot of reviews on it. This was $7.58. It's sold out right now, but this is 10 feet of the vinyl paper that I do get. The Dollar Tree stuff just looks like this, and I don't know how much I have of the Dollar Tree stuff. I don't know. Let's see. I had some, but I don't remember where I put it. Yeah. So the Dollar Tree stuff that I actually have is this quick cover. This is it's 18 inches by 1.5 yards, and I don't know how many yards that is, but like I said, it's a hit or miss. So I thought, we're going to try this and see. This is 10 feet. So I would have to figure out what is the better value. You do get a little bit more with the Dollar Tree, but I read the reviews and I heard this stuff is awesome. So I ended up getting the transfer tape, and I will be doing a review and letting you guys know on that, on my review for like certain items. So then after you spend so much, you get an item that you get to choose for free. I think if you spend $39 or more, you get to choose an item for free. So I was looking at the list of stuff. They have some stuff that's worth a couple bucks, and then they have stuff that's worth like 25. I think you can go like $25 of the items. They only give you certain items that you can choose from. So what I ended up choosing was this holographic sticker printer paper. I'm pretty excited for this. This is 25 sheets. The brand is U Inkjet holographic sticker paper for inkjet or laser printers. Now I do know Amazon does sell this, but this was my free item. It is usually $8.48. So I was looking at that, and again, I look at reviews anytime I look at stuff. And so if you guys, I kind of want to print stickers for my kids, and I thought this would be kind of cool to print stickers and then have it be the holographic look. So I ended up getting this for 25 sheets for an item that is absolutely free that I will use. I'm pretty excited for that. So I was excited for that. Now I did hear you did get free items. I don't know if it's because if you choose that or not, but I heard you get free items. I've seen people's hauls where they're like, oh, I didn't choose that. So I don't know how that happened, but this is an item that I did choose for a free item, but I ended up paying like 50 something bucks for everything. My total was with the coupon attached. Okay, so it came to $81.90 for all that stuff that I chose, but I did have a 30% off coupon where I saved $24.57, and then I ended up getting free shipping, and with tax included, I ended up paying like 60 bucks for everything. $60 for everything, which I don't know. I mean, I think that's a pretty good deal considering like these shelves right here are like, you know, 20 bucks right there, and I'm pretty excited with everything that I got. So if you guys are interested in Temu, definitely check it out. You know, you can make as many purchases as you want. Just give yourself at least almost 2 weeks before they arrive at your house. They do take a lot. It's a lot faster than some international shipping, but I was very proud with everything that I got. I mean, they text you an update with everything's going on. I even get an email. Like, they're very communicative on how everything is going, which I absolutely love that. But with my first purchase from Temu, I'm pretty excited with that. And definitely just check it out. Again, read the reviews. There is so much stuff on there. The best thing to do is read the reviews. Also, check the sizes on certain things. There's certain things that I was eyeing up, and then I was reading, and I'm like, oh, that thing is like too small. So definitely check it out, and make sure you guys check out my upcoming sponsorship that I will be doing with Temu over the next couple weeks. I am so excited. I have 5 videos to share with you guys on that, and it's 5 different categories, which I am so excited for. But I hope you guys enjoyed your day. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you guys get anything excited, or just check out the website. That's all I can say. But give this video a great big thumbs up, and we will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.